Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Tools Research Channel. In a world where AI shapes the future, a new concept is emerging for creators that harness foundational models under one single interface to bring their unique visions to life. With tools that blend multiple LLMs and interactive AI elements, users can create powerful AI applications that streamline tasks without any programming or coding knowledge. One such platform is MindStudio from a company called UAI. It offers a canvas where imagination meets the precision of automation. It's not just an AI platform, it's a journey into the heart of innovation, inviting every dreamer to become a creator. Even though we can't describe the concept of MindStudio and other such emerging platform types inherently as mixture of experts models, since mixture of experts is a machine learning ensemble technique that involves a set of models, experts, where each expert specializes in a different part of the input space and a gating network decides which expert to use for a given input. MindStudio and other similar solutions offer a platform for building AI applications using three foundational models, GPT-4, Claude 3, and Palm 2, giving a semblance of mixture of experts under one interface. So the underlying AI models used in MindStudio, which include GPT-4, Claude 3, and Palm 2 for specific applications, have an MOE architectures, and as such allow users to incorporate various resources, automation, and customization to their applications. These platforms focus on enabling users to build and customize AI-powered applications by accessing multiple powerful models from one single interface. In this video, we'll be showcasing MindStudio and what you need to get started building your own AI-powered applications.
Using MindStudio, you leverage foundational models as the base intelligence for your application stack. Then, you can incorporate all kinds of additional resources like user inputs, custom data sources, and custom JavaScript functions to expand the capabilities of your AI and build bespoke AIs for your unique use case. Here, we can begin writing our main AI prompt. The prompt is the initial set of system instructions that you provide to the AI. All prompts will vary in length and content depending on the use case and requirements, but a general rule of thumb for writing your prompt is to include a role for your AI to take on and a task for it to complete. When writing your prompt, you may want to refer to your AI as assistant and your user as human in order to distinguish how each party will participate in the interaction. Lastly, you may optionally choose to use Markdown formatting in your prompt to better organize your thoughts for collaborators or for later editing. Next, let's navigate to the Automations tab. Here we can begin to create our AI workflow using various types of blocks that correspond to different kinds of interactions. You may upload multiple files in the same data source if you'd like, and it's good practice to give your data source a name. When we create a data source in MindStudio, we create a new vector database for the AI to query, and we'll be able to see a preview of the file, in this case it's an HTML document, extracted text, the raw chunks, and the raw vectors created for this vector database. If we look at the extracted text, we'll notice that this is full of text and is coherent. In the Model Settings tab, we can select the foundational model that we'd like to use. Since I'm prioritizing fast responses, I'm going to go with GPT 3.5 Turbo. We can also adjust the temperature of the model, which determines the predictability of the AI's responses, and the max response size, which controls the max length of an individual response. Now that we've finished the initial configuration of our AI, we can prepare it for publishing. Inside of Access and Sharing, we'll also be able to determine whether or not our AI is publicly available via the UAI showcase, and whether or not people can clone our AI to create new remixes for their own use cases. Functions allow us to run custom JavaScript code in our AI workflows. To select the function we want to run, we can browse the community functions available. Each function will have different configurations depending on the requirements for that function to operate. It's also important to note that these are custom JavaScript functions, meaning that you can open the function up and edit the JavaScript code inside of them. Each function is packaged with its own custom JavaScript code, configuration JSON, which affects the inputs on the right-hand side when people configure it, and you may include some test data if you're looking to test out your function. You can also debug the function by pressing the play button and seeing the response from the console.
MindStudio is a powerful platform that lets you build AIs at amazing speeds. These AIs can be fully customized for your use cases. This is just the beginning of the AI revolution. There is a lot to learn, and be assured that soon we will be seeing more platforms like MindStudio, powered by multiple and latest foundational models. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and press the like button if you wish to see more such content.